this video, I want to talk about how you can save items for later on Temu. Now, I'll show you how to do it from the PC, but you can also do this on the app, and it's the exact same steps. So what you want to do is just find any item. So I'll just quickly find something. Let's just do this one. And once you've clicked on the item, you want to scroll down to the details section. So once you're at the details, usually it will be the seller name and the seller stuff. There will be a button called save. Now this will be a little hard, and what you want to do is click on this so it becomes green, orange I mean, not green. And then once you've done this, you want to hover your profile and you will have something called the wish list. Inside of here, you should be able to see all of the things that you put the heart on. And then what you can do is click here and delete if you want to remove them. So that's basically how it's done, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.